Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to replace the keyboard on laptop Lenovo B50-30 model. First, take out the battery. Now here we have 3 screws which we have to unscrew to release the keyboard. 1, 2, 3. These screws have a logo of keyboard near their holes. Rotate the laptop and with a sharp tool we have to release from this side. Carefully. And finally disconnect the cable of the keyboard which connects it to the motherboard. Just lift up this handle and take out the keyboard. Take the new one, place back the cable carefully. Press the handle. First put the keyboard from this side, then press well from all sides. Close the lid. And now finally we have to screw the 3 screws on the bottom side. And finally put back the battery. That's it. Thank you very much. Good luck.